everyone, Jake's Aviation here, and today we're going to be doing some model unboxings. Just got this package in the mail, and it's going to be, I believe it's some of the new Gemini Jets releases. So let's go ahead and get this nice big box opened up. These models are ordered from Panda Fox Models. Link will be in the description of the website. Open this box up. It came a little bit damaged here, but I think that was just from the mail, the postal service. But no biggie. There's plenty of paper and insulation. So. Oh, there we go. There's the first model. So this paper. So you have the first model here. Have the Southwest 737 700 in the good old Florida one. So heck yeah, guys! I'm really excited for this model, as obviously it's a Southwest model, and the fact that it's got this nice special Florida one livery. We love that. So here we go. I like that box. Alright, and then we have the... Oh, that came open. Jeez. Alright, there we go. Alaska 737-900. New livery, no winglets. There we go. So we have them all there. I know these aircraft are fairly... not rare, but they're not as common anymore. A lot of them have winglets or splits now even. But I just decided, you know, it's an Alaska aircraft. It looked cool. It does look cool, honestly. I'm excited to have it. And I'm sure it'll come in handy in the future in a row. And then, alright, so we have a bigger box. The last model in here, so 3 models. Here we have it, guys. The United 777-300ER in the new livery. Let's go ahead and pull this out here. Awesome. Got my invoice. I'll go ahead and get the box on out of the way. Yeah, so we have these 3 models right here. I'll go ahead and get them unboxed and reviewed. I'm going to start with the Southwest, and we'll go Southwest Alaska, and then United, save the biggest, probably the best for last. So I'll put them off to the side. Here we have the Southwest. So this is a Florida one. It's got the new livery tail, obviously. It's not, well, Southwest, this box is different obviously than the other boxes. It's just a white, flap to show the model. So just go ahead and open it up. Standard Gemini Jets box, as I kind of showed off earlier. It's nothing special. And this was the August releases for Gemini Jets. Right here we have them all. Super excited for this. Oh, that looks absolutely incredible. Oh boy, that looks awesome. That looks fantastic. I'm just gonna take a look here. Yeah, everything looks good with it. Question mark? Yes. Yes, okay. Just making sure. Just making sure. Alright, yeah, just making sure that's all good. Here we have it. We'll go ahead now. Woo. So there we go. Florida one. The little heart, Southwest heart. Excellent detail here by the cockpit. Nose wheel, rolling landing gear. Gear door looks good. Everything looks really good there. And then you have the beautiful, state of Florida wraps around here. Beautiful scene. Lady, ships, palm tree. And then the engines, the detail in the engines. Part of the livery looks absolutely fantastic. And you have Florida right there. The back, really awesome. So you got an antenna on the top there, and then the Wi-Fi box on the back, the Wi-Fi dome. Registration November 945 Whiskey November. Southwest, and then the winglets plane on this. Great detail on the overwing exits. Plain and simple. The winglets on the inside. Overall looks really nice. I love the engines, how they, oh, it's a little tail heavy almost. But great detail on the engines, absolutely fantastic. Spin it around on this side. Oh, of course, then you have the tail. My bad. The tail, the American flag, and then Southwest on the tail here. Looks great. Spin this around. It seems to be a little tail heavy. Oh, yeah, there we go. So then on this side, we have the Ford baggage door right there. Again, the engines look fantastic. Great detail on the overwing exits. Rear baggage door. Registration, middle American flag, and Southwest. Overall, a stunning model. Great detail for delivery. I'll go ahead and show you underneath the other side. Awesome detail on the other side as well. Rolling landing gear, as I stated, on all the main and the nose gear. Engines look great. Everything looks really good. So yeah, guys, so that's the Southwest model. It seems to be a little tail heavy, but that's no biggie. Alright, so I'm going to put this off to the side, and we'll go ahead now do the Alaska. So, as I say, this aircraft, we're going to go ahead and I'll just show you here. Its registration is November 303 Alpha Sierra AS. This is in the non-winglets version of the 900. It's not even a 900ER, it's just a straight 900. These, I'm not really sure if I have not seen them, say, fly in and out of LA a whole lot anymore. It's mainly like the 900ERs with the winglets, splits, new livery, old livery. But not so much the 900, at least one without the winglets. Now, I obviously don't check the radar there every day, so I'm sure they do fly in and out, or they have a fair bit, just I have not seen them on the radar myself. But yeah, overall the box, standard Gemini Jets box, as real as it gets, etc, etc, the aircraft, all that good stuff. So as I said, the registration, the details here, the registration and all the specs. So this aircraft was delivered in 2001. It's pretty cool. So it's pretty old. Pretty old aircraft. Alright, here we go. We have the model. So this is my first 900 without winglets. This looks fantastic. This seems like it's a newer mold though, because it's got all the nice antennas and everything. I'm just going to inspect the model quickly. It's interesting, this model does not have rolling landing gear. Which, honestly, that's fine. Less chance of it breaking or something, I suppose. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get on into the detail. It is a really nice looking aircraft. I will use this in updates in the future whenever I get an airport set up. But yeah, I did not. I cannot read what that says there. It says Boeing, but I cannot read what it says below that. As you can see, so the cockpit, you have the little windows at the top, which is pretty cool. So you have the main cockpit windows, and you have the, what do they call eyebrow windows, which is pretty cool. This aircraft, then you have the gear door, which reads 303-9. Got the forward door, Alaska titles. Great detail, honestly. Great overwing exit details. The engine looks great. The wing overall looks really nice. Registration 303 Alpha Sierra, as I stated earlier, and the little American flag. You have the Eskimo guy on the tail. Absolutely love this livery, like this this tail design for Alaska. It's so beautiful. The colors, everything, really nice. But this model is pretty straightforward, pretty plain, simple in all honesty, because you don't have like the winglets or anything. You have antennas and everything on this one though. I'll show you the other side. So you have the forward baggage door, and then you have the aft baggage door. But nothing really crazy going on with this model. Spin this around here. I'll show you the underneath of the aircraft. Plain and simple, nothing too crazy. So the gears do not roll, but it's a beautiful model. I'm happy to have it. Whether I really will use it in the future, not sure, but it's just another nice addition to the collection for Alaska models. Hopefully they do release a 900, say a 900 with the splits, and then I'd obviously love to see more 900 ERs, whether that's in the old livery, the new livery, some of the specials would be greatly appreciated and much needed in all honesty. So there you have it, the Alaska 737-900 without winglets, just a standard stock 900. Push that to the side, and we'll get to the probably the one I'm most excited for, apart from the Southwest. This guy, this big boy. Actually, hold on, let me just dust this box off. It came a little dusty. There you go. So the United 777-300ER. So I saw that Gemini Jets had released a version, like a United 777-300ER in the old livery, but the registration was wrong. So I said, well, I know they have quite a few now in the new livery. Might as well just wait and buy one, hopefully when they release a new one. And sure enough, for August, they released this, so I had to pick this up. Right now at LA, they use it, I believe, to go to Frankfurt. I know in the past it's gone to Heathrow. Not sure exactly what it's going to be used on going forward, like post the whole COVID times, or current times, should I say so, in a couple of years, what this aircraft will be, what routes it will be flying out of LA. Nonetheless, though, I'm really excited to have it. It'll be a nice addition to my United Heavy fleet of 787s. And the 777-200, which is in the old livery, but still. So, standard Gemini Jets heavy box. Obviously, it does open up, and you can see all the information right there. Registration on this one is November 2749 uniform. There's the aircraft. So just the standard Gemini Jets box with all the goodies, pictures on the back. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this guy. Gemini Jets usually does a really good job with their heavies. I rarely ever have an issue with any of their heavy aircrafts, so pretty excited to have this model. I'm surprised, like honestly, Gemini Jets, it's hit or miss with them. Some aircraft, some molds and stuff are great, and others are just crappy, to put it nicely. Politely, but the heavies and stuff are usually really good, and I've never had any issues that I can think of right now. But there's the model, absolutely gorgeous, heavy, obviously. But, oh wow, I am excited. Looks beautiful. The new livery honestly has grown on me. I was not a huge fan of it initially, but because I missed like the gold, but I gotta say it does look sharp. So here you have it. Let's go ahead and zoom on in here. So you have the little Star Alliance logo. What does this aircraft say? This says something here too. Ah, okay. Connecting people, unite the world. That's pretty cool. I did not notice that. So there you have it. And you have the gear door with some nice details on that. Landing gear is looking good. As I say, so you got the little Starlines logo. Ford L1 door, L2 door United logo, or titles should I say, not logos. Great detail here on the Wi-Fi around the Wi-Fi box and the antenna, Wi-Fi dome. Some great over-wing exit details. The wings are nice and sharp, as we like it. The engine looks pretty good. Good old GE 90s. Looks good on both sides. Moving along, pretty plain. You have that little blue, and that nice blue streak at the bottom, the gray underneath, the gray underbelly. Then you go to the back, you have the registration and the American flag. And then you have the, I guess this is L5 door. And then you have the tail with the good old Continental, the old Continental logo, tail design, now in blue. So there you have it on this side. Overall, the model is stunning. Great detail. Same on this side. Then you have the cargo door there. You have the antennas. I mentioned that on the back there. And you have the aft cargo door and the little baggage door in the back. Right there. So very, very nice aircraft. Super happy to have this. As I say, I'm not sure what routes it'll run in the future. Either way, doesn't matter. It's a great model, great addition to the fleet. So there you have it, guys. That is the 3 models that I got out of this recent Gemini Jets release, the August releases. So you have the Southwest, Alaska, and United. Unfortunately, like, there was no carriers that I didn't have already, like new airlines or anything that I wanted to get. Hence why I got another Southwest, another Alaska, and another United aircraft. But just, it's all about building the fleet up of, you know, various aircraft types and stuff. So sure, I have plenty of United aircraft, but I didn't have a United 333. Did not have a Southwest in the Florida one, and Southwest is always welcome in my fleet. Anytime I see one, I try to get one. I mean, I know NG released the 737-800 in the Canyon Blue without splits. I haven't gotten that one yet. I do want to. It's just I'm kind of debating whether I really need it. Just, you know, I've been flying a lot in real life and whatnot, so money. Do I want to spend money on a model when I pre-ordered these from just about the day or so, the day they came out or day after they came out, so no biggie there. But I don't feel like getting a new model any new models like anytime soon per se, just because trying to limit the amount of models I'm getting, the amount of money I'm spending on models. But anyway, guys, enough about that. 3 beautiful models. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for more, guys. See ya.